Hi friends, family, tastemakers. Hello everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a grocery haul. I am officially in retirement, and more than ever, it's important for me to watch my budget. But I'm not going to deprive myself of anything. I have worked too hard, so hard for all of these years to live in retirement, but as you've seen in my other videos, I've always, been conscious of my budget, conscious of what I'm buying, and that's not going to change in retirement. As a matter of fact, it's very important now more than ever. I'm still going to get items that I like. I'm going to add nutrition. I'm going to add treats. I'm going to add, I'm living my life now. No one's in a hurry to hire people in their 60s most of the time. I'm a retired telecommunications administrator. I worked in the telecommunications industry from the 80s up to the 2000s. And then I've worked contract work. I've worked in telecommunications for other small telecommunications companies, training their employees, teaching them workplace survival skills. And I've worked hard. And in addition to that, on the side, I've always had my own business. And I recommend that for all women, anyone. But since I'm a woman, I know what it's like to go through the decades in the workplace. And I recommend, women, you have your day job, but have something that you can get paid that day. I had a cleaning service. When I cleaned someone's house, I got paid that day. Cleaned an office, I got paid the day. When I catered, I got paid that day. When I did gift baskets and treats and stuff, you get paid right then and there. And so, that can go to the side. So excuse me for smacking. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything that I got. It's going to cover me for the month. And I'm under budget. I'm $100, a little under 100, and this is everything that I got. Okay. And I'm doing this to inspire you guys to prepare and look forward to this point in your life when you can, wind down. You don't have to be on that hamster wheel. So first of all, I get some paper towels for the month. And I like to spend, $4.99 and under. If these were $4.99, then when Walgreens has theirs for $3.99, if I go in there when, to get my prescription filled, then I stock up on what's going on in Walgreens at the time. And so that's my other tip. Read these ads, study these ads. And Lidl is becoming, my favorite store. And all the retirees go into Lidl. I'm a Kroger girl, most of my life, but they're playing games with the app. You got to think too hard. Lidl straightforward. You join their app, they scan it. It is what it is. Okay, I got some Diet Colas, for the holidays. When you can get a 12-pack of cola nowadays for $2.49, you get it. I get it. On those days I need a drink. I'm not going to deprive myself. Okay, then I got these saltine crackers. Hubby's more of a mayonnaise person than I am, but in the summer, you want to make chicken salad, tuna salad. So this was a decent deal. This is whipped dressing, and it's lower calories. You get 40 calories. It's lower in sodium. So I got this. And got a thing of cocktail peanuts. I always tell you guys, I don't do $2 eggs. I do not do $2 eggs, but they didn't do... if you go to Walmart, you can get them for $1.49. But this week, since I was already in Lidl, these were $1.89. They look good. I only eat if I eat an egg, I just eat one. You know, we were eating too much egg. You know, when eggs were like 49, 59 cents, people would be like scrambling up 4 and 5 eggs, clogging up that heart. You know, I don't need all that. Okay, Reynolds Wrap was on sale. The name brand was cheaper than the store brand, so it was $1.99 for these 75 square feet. No. The 30 square foot Reynolds Wrap was $1.99. But this was $2.99. Yeah, $2.99 for 75 square feet. So I got, you know, more. And then I needed a big, because I'm going to be grilling. I need to like line my grill. So I got a heavy duty one. And these were $1.99. Okay, then you got these little cherry tomatoes. My tomatoes in my garden, they're growing. They're almost there. You know, they just haven't reddened up yet, but I think this might be the last time in a minute that I'll have to buy some tomatoes. But you can get these 2 for $1. You have to buy 2. So they say you buy, so like $1 for each container. I'm fine with that. For the pantry, for the sliced tomatoes, this was the cheapest I've seen canned peaches in a while. So these were $1.19. No, these are $1.09. So I got 4 of those. For the month, you know, I make sure I have stuff to clean my clothes. I got the store brand detergent. And these were like $4.95. And I got the bleach. So I got some bleach. I got paper towels for the month, sodas for the month, laundry detergent. All that comes out of my food budget. And then I got some canned chicken breast. Keep in the pantry, and you can get 2 lemons for $1. I got some bananas, some small avocados. You get 6 for like 2. These are $2.25. Let me see how many tortillas. 20 tortillas, flour tortillas for small fajitas. These were $1.80, $1.89. I got some oil. I meant to get vegetable oil. These were $1.99. And I think I'm going to take it back and get the vegetable oil. Plain yogurt. Can't think of the price on this. For my smoothies. Chips, $1.49 each. I got 2 of those for the month. That's it. I got peanuts for the month. Got chips for the month. Got some crackers if I have a snack attack. Oh, and then I got let's see, there's 100 bags of tea. These were a good price. $1 something. Decaf coffee pods. These $3.49. Okay, here is where my proteins are. Okay, so I got 12 75 25 lean beef burgers for the freezer. It's always good to keep that freezer stocked up. Boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins for the freezer. And I'm not cutting out anything. Even my doctor said I don't need to cut out anything in my diet. I just keep it to a minimum. So this is cheese. This $1.77 cheese all month long. Just slice it and I get my cheese fix. That's all I need. Ham steak. I always like to get these at Thanksgiving time when I do my budget-friendly Thanksgiving dinners, and you get a ham steak. But I'll probably cube these up and like put them in an omelet since I got some eggs. Okay, the bacon's $3.49. I'll get bacon if it's under like $4.99 and under. I'll get some bacon, thick sliced bacon. Okay, and then so I got beef, pork, and chicken. So let me see over. And then chicken, can never go wrong with chicken leg quarters. This pack was $4.91. I've got 3 of those. It's grilling season. So I can just grill some, or I can make some like pulled chicken. This one's $4.95. Pack of chicken thighs, $1.19 a pound. They'll go cheap. Sanderson Farm chicken leg quarters is $4.84. So I think this is a very well-rounded haul for someone on a fixed income. And I had, it's fairly healthy. Oh, did I show you my watermelon? Watermelons, even though they're healthy, they're high glycemic. And so for those of us that are, watching blood sugar levels, watermelon, can spike it, but you never eat your high glycemic items by themselves. If you're going to have a burger and then you slide, you have a little slither of a watermelon with your meal. So that kind of like blunts the spike. So this is a cute little watermelon. It's beautiful. It has seeds in it. Look at that field spot. So it means it ripened nicely and it's a nice sound. So, and I still got apples and oranges, so I'll have fruit for the month. Got some lemons for my sweet tea, and avocados and banana. So I got fruits, vegetables, yogurt, lean protein. So it's all about the balance for me and a quality of life. Am I living high off the hog? No, I'm eating like I like to eat, living like I like to live, because at some point in your life, you realize I'm running around doing all this, and especially us as women, we are in jobs that serve others most of the time. And, we have to, now this is a point, we have to take care of us. You got to put yourself first and make sure you're good. And so that's what living tastefully for life is. It's not about rejecting yourself or denying yourself. At this point, no, if you've raised kids, you've worked, you're looking after your parents, you've made other companies rich and everything, and you just want just a piece of the pie, and you want some peace in your life and just a piece of the pie. And I think, we can do that tastefully. So that's why I'm bringing you this type of content, just to keep us up, keep us motivated, keep us inspired to live tastefully for less. I want to thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your support. If you're new, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. And make sure that the bell notification is selected so that when I upload new content, you'll be notified. You don't have to do anything. Just check me out, see what's going on, because we're doing some stuff around here. We're keeping it moving. Just at a different phase and a different stage of our life. We're keeping it moving. Okay, guys? See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.